Hi everyone, welcome to Westart Creations. Join us as we draw Peppa Pig and her playgroup pulse for some fun.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three, fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Time to color in Peppa and her friends to make them look super cool.
The bear sat by the clock struck four. He ran out the door. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck five. She went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
and it's done.
Yay!
Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun. Bye bye.